right to education in our country is a boon for some, but for many turns into a battle for education as the parental compulsions force them out of school or they never get enrolled. The chances of this happening to a girl are more. But for the past 5 years, Safina Hussain and her team have been on a crusade to bring back all the girls into the school system through a unique approach. Take a look at this inspiring story.
Laughter, learning and friends. This government school in Khangri village, Rajasthan provides all that and much more. It's an incubator of dreams for girls like Vimla who come to study here.
छोटी उम्र में शादी हो जाती है, फिर बड़ी होती है, फिर उसकी शादी जैसे क्या ना किसी ऐसे कैसे लड़के जैसे ना ख़राब हो जाता है लड़का, तो वो लड़का जैसे क्या ना उसे छोड़ देता है या फिर है ना उसके ससुराल उसे पसंद नहीं करते, तो वो बेचारी क्या करे। और है ना जिसकी वो पढ़ी लिखी हो तो वो खुद है ना अपने पैरों पर खड़े होकर अच्छा है ना खुद काम कर सकती है, कोई भी काम।
This school is one of the many under the guidance of Safina Hussain's organization Educate Girls. She returned to India with an aim to bring each and every girl into the school system, retain them and increase their learning outcome.
When we look at girls' education worldwide, India is pretty much at the epicenter of gender issues. India has the highest number of out-of-school girls anywhere on the planet. We have the highest number of child brides anywhere in the world, and also the highest number of women and girls in sexual and other forms of slavery. So when we started in India, we sort of mapped the situation countrywide. And we realized at that time when we looked at the government data that 9 of the 26 gender gap districts, the critical educational gender gap districts, were in Rajasthan. And these districts where we are in right now are those gender gap districts.
Since 2007, Safina, along with her 1600 strong team Balika, has empowered more than 50,000 girls in Rajasthan.
जैसे ही हमें पता चलता है कि ये लड़की जो है वो स्कूल नहीं आ रही है, तो हम लोग उनके घर जाके उनके पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं कि आखिर क्यों आप अपनी बच्ची को स्कूल नहीं भेज रहे, रीजन क्या है उसके पीछे। एक बार अगर मान जाते तो ठीक, वरना बार बार हम उनका पीछा नहीं छोड़ते जब तक कि वो अपनी बच्ची को स्कूल में एडमिट नहीं करवा दे।
Watch the complete story of this global Indian this weekend on Amazing Indians.